In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PayPal for selling items in 2025 step by step. Whether you're selling products online for the first time or already running a small business, PayPal is one of the easiest and most trusted ways to receive payments from customers around the world. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up your account, access seller tools, and start accepting payments quickly and securely. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official PayPal website. This is where you'll manage your account, receive payments, create invoices, and track transactions. Always make sure you're visiting the official PayPal website to keep your account secure and avoid phishing scams or fake login pages. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your PayPal email and password to access your account. If you don't already have a PayPal account, click Sign Up and follow the steps to create one. The registration process only takes a few minutes, and you can choose between a personal or business account depending on how you plan to sell your items. After signing in, PayPal may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. You might receive a verification code through text message, email, or WhatsApp depending on your account settings. Enter the code to continue. This extra security step helps protect your account and your future transactions. Once you're logged into your PayPal dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually displayed as a small gear icon near the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open your account settings. Here, you can update your personal information, connect bank accounts, add payment methods, and customize your seller preferences. Next, navigate to the Seller Tools or Selling Preferences section. This is where PayPal provides features specifically designed for online sellers. Inside this area, you'll find tools that allow you to create invoices, generate payment links, set up checkout buttons for websites, and manage customer payments more efficiently. Click on the option related to selling online to explore the available features. PayPal allows you to create professional invoices that you can send directly to customers, making it easy for them to pay you securely. You can also create payment buttons or shareable payment links if you're selling products through social media, websites, or marketplaces. As you continue using PayPal, you'll also be able to track transactions, review payment history, manage refunds, and monitor your sales activity directly from your dashboard. PayPal is trusted by millions of businesses worldwide, making it a reliable platform for accepting payments both locally and internationally. And that's it. You now know how to use PayPal for selling items in 2025. Once your account is properly set up, you can start accepting payments quickly and professionally while keeping your transactions secure. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to use PayPal to grow your online selling business more efficiently.